time I passed this office, I was amazed by this office and its exceptional design.
An architectural marvel in the making, where ultra-luxury, privacy and breathtaking design redefine the very notion of your home. Rising along the Golden Mile Road, the Trilite comprises of 3 high-rise towers named Canopus, Vega and Regal, soaring up to 56, 49 and 46 floors respectively, each designed to offer the unparalleled views of the city skyline.
This project offers a curated collection of 462 residences ranging from 3 to 5 BHK and also exclusive sky mansions with floor plans ranging from 2,888 to 11,333 square feet.
Designed for families who seek space, style and privacy, each home features a ceiling height of 11.5 feet, creating a sense of openness and grandeur. Thoughtfully planned, the towers feature single-loaded corridors ensuring maximum privacy as no two homes face each other, while every apartment has spectacular views. The key USP is the clubhouse. We have 3 clubhouses at 3 different levels, and all 3 of them are themed differently, and each clubhouse has got its own set of amenities. The White Gloves, the main clubhouse spanning 6 floors from the ground, up and above. The second clubhouse, suspended between Tower 2 and Tower 3, located on 14th to 16th floors, offering panoramic city views. Thousands of Stars, located on 47th and 48th floors, this clubhouse features spectacular infinity pool with an unparalleled views. Residents here can enjoy multiple swimming pools, including a temperature-controlled indoor pool, a Bali-themed spa, a preview theatre, and sports facilities such as golf simulator and tennis courts. The central atrium of life provides a 360-degree view of the community, bringing nature and design together. Each home is also equipped with a dedicated service room, discreetly located outside the main apartment, ensuring convenience without compromising privacy. Being developed under the expert guidance of Tata Projects, the Trilite promises higher standards of construction, ensuring durability, design excellence, and world-class craftsmanship. Every residence features semi-home automation complemented by a comprehensive IP-based security system with cameras monitoring from entry points to the main doors of all units. The Trilite is more than a home. It's a vision in progress, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a residence where every detail is crafted to elevate your lifestyle. Discover the Trilite. Schedule your exclusive site visit today and experience the future of luxury living in Kokapet. Today we are touring a magnificent 4 BHK 4777 SFT east-facing flat at Trilite. A home where space, light and design come together in perfect harmony. As we step in, the expansive drawing room greets you with open arms, inviting you to experience comfort and grandeur at every turn. The drawing room unfolds before you, a harmonious blend of sophistication and comfort designed for both intimate gatherings and grand celebrations. Flowing effortlessly from the drawing room, the dining area invites you to savor culinary delights in a setting of refined elegance. The living room, expansive and airy, serves as the perfect backdrop for cherished family moments and leisurely evenings. Step out onto the balcony, your own personal heaven where the world below fades away, leaving only the serenity of elevated living. Here is the bedroom 1, offering a tranquil retreat complete with an ensuite bath that promises moments of serene indulgence. Bedroom 2 provides a private sanctuary featuring an ensuite bath and direct access to a secluded balcony. Across the hall, the master bedroom awaits, a realm of opulence with a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite bath that exudes spa-like tranquility. Bedroom 4, adjacent to the master suite, offers versatility and comfort, complete with an attached bath for added convenience. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring separate wet and dry zones, premium finishes and ample space for culinary creativity. Adjacent to the kitchen, the utility area caters to all your laundry and storage needs, ensuring a clutter-free living environment. Not only this, each home is also equipped with semi-home automation and dedicated service room, discreetly located outside the main apartment, ensuring convenience without compromising privacy. This is a home where every moment feels extraordinary. This is Trilite, crafted for those who seek more than ordinary living in Kokapet.